This is Josh with JL Hufford, and I'm here to explain why we think the Baratza Forte-AP espresso grinder is really awesome. First, I just want to show you the dark ages by switching to manual by pressing M, grinding out some coffee. I'm going to take Sylvia and Chilio Sylvia portafilter, and I am going to dose like they did in the dark ages with a scoop. I always said, oh, about 2 scoops, right? That's about 2. You got a pretty low stack. When you tamp it down, it's even smaller. Ideally, you're going to get it close to the top of the line here in the basket. I mean, it depends on the coffee roast you're using. I have this set to the ideal weight of 17.6 grams for the JL Hufford Espresso blend coffee. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to get there with the Baratza. First, on weight, I'm going to switch to number 2 for the double shot. You can see that 17.6 comes right up on the screen. Press start. Now exactly the right amount of coffee's here. I'm just going to give it a quick swirl. Notice I have a lot more coffee now. Level it out, tamp it down. Under. Away we go. But we've got a nice espresso with a good head of crema on there, and it tastes delicious. For one more trick up the sleeve of the Baratza, I want to show you the Smart Dose feature. What they've done is taken the grind by weight function and allow you to grind directly into your portafilter with that approximate weight. So the first thing that you need to do to program the Smart Dose, once you have your grinder dialed in by fineness for the roast that you're using and the weight that you want to grind, you grind that into the bin by pressing start. There you see it comes up to 17.6 grams. Then you press time, hold the memory button that you want. See how it changed from 9 to 7.7 seconds? Then you can put the handy dandy porta holder. Take your portafilter, 7.7 seconds. There you go. I wanted to show you one last thing with the Baratza Forte-AP. The coffee bin on top has a special open and close door on the back. Just like a commercial grinder. In fact, this can be used in a low volume commercial coffee shop. Take the switch on the back, switch it to closed, unlock the grinder. Now you can take it out without the beans falling. This comes in handy when cleaning, or if you want to grind other coffees and you have multiple bins. When you're ready to use it again, lock it, open it up, and it's ready for operation.